Oh, that feels good. So this is kind of my routine. When I'm at a camp like this, I'll do my dishes. Went over there, there's a water spigot over there. Got some water, and then I cleaned my dishes, and then I filled up 2 of my containers, my pan and my cup, with some water, and come over here, grab my small little hygiene kit, get washed up. And to me, it's really important to keep up on your hygiene. You know, being out here, especially this time of year when it's getting up in 80 degrees, you're sweating. I think most people don't like walking around feeling all gross and stinky. And even if all it is you brush your teeth, I have to floss no matter what. I always have, so I carry those little flossers. I remember when I was a kid, I kind of got freaked out in elementary school. We had a dentist come through the school, showed us a bunch of pictures of people's teeth that were real gross and rotten, and really emphasized flossing. They gave us free toothbrushes and floss and things like that. And ever since then, ever since I was a young kid, I've always been kind of obsessed with flossing my teeth. So that's something that I have to do every day, part of my routine. So floss, brush my teeth, wash my face, and I'll usually kind of wipe up usually my pits and kind of the creases of my arms and things like that. And it goes a long way in helping you feel better around camp. So I've been really enjoying this small little lightweight kit that I put together. I like putting together different kits, and this little hygiene kit's been working really well. So I'll give you a look at it once I finish up. While I'm doing this, I'll kind of check for ticks and stuff. Let's see anything on my legs, so that's a good sign. I haven't seen any ticks at all. I haven't pulled any off of me or anything. Alright guys, so you're looking at my hygiene kit here. This is my Ultralight hygiene kit. One of them, I have several. One of them that's even more minimal than this, that I take in my Ultralight backpacking kit, but it all fits in this nice Ultralight sacks. I believe I got a pack of 3 of these different sizes off of Etsy. So it's this pouch is made by Ultralight sacks, and it is a fantastic pouch. It's pretty good zippers, be really water resistant, and I believe it's either Dyneema or Tyvek. Yeah, really lightweight. I think it's Tyvek. But really nice little sack, and it all fits in there. So this right here is just an old, as a matter of fact, I think I just split it. This is an old Visine bottle that I just emptied out and put some Bronner's Castile soap in. Castile soap is good for all kinds of things, washing dishes, washing your clothes. I just washed my face with it, all of that. So as I was doing my camp chores just a minute ago, this is what I used pretty much for everything. And right next to that, I have my toothbrush. This is just I believe I got this just at the Dollar General. Just kind of a little fold out toothbrush. Makes it nice and compact, and it's kind of protected in there. And I moved away from toothpaste, and I started using these tabs, and they're like a charcoal tab. I usually keep this somewhat full, but the reason I like these is because I know exactly how many days I'm going to get out of them. So, you know, if I'm going on a 3-day trip and I know I only have enough for 2 days in here, I'll just fill it back up. So it's really easy to, you know, see in this clear bag exactly how many I have. So floss, a couple different flossers. I always use these flossers. You saw me just a minute ago washing up, and I use these little tabs here. I'm not sure exactly the brand or anything. I think I bought a big bag of them off of Amazon, but you just add a little water to them and they fold out into a nice big washcloth, and they're great for washing your body up. And I have a small little mirror. I got this at an outdoor store in Paducah, Kentucky. This is an Ultralight, really thin mirror. That way you can see your face, see behind you, whatever you need to. And you can also use it to signal, so it's a good multi-purpose item to have. Always nice to have a mirror when you need one. I have a small little thing of nail clippers here. I don't use that very much. I guess I could use it right now, but always keep it in there just in case I need to cut my nails or anything. And this one here is just some baking soda, and I use that. It can be used for a lot of things, but generally I use it to put underneath my armpits. If I've been out for multiple days, I'm starting to stink, sometimes I'll put it in my shoes if my shoes are a little bit stinky. But you can use baking soda for all kinds of things, so it's really multi-purpose. I don't use a ton of it, so that's always in there. And then I also have a little bit of lotion here. This is some vitamin lotion that I put on my face, put on my elbows and things like that, just to kind of say moisturize, not get too dried out, because my skin has a tendency to get dried out, especially if I get wet. So I got a small little thing of hand sanitizer in this little bottle here. Let's see, I'll go ahead and use a few drops of that. But this is really nice to have, especially when you're out, using a restroom, whatever. I always try to wash my hands, but it's nice to have a little bit of hand sanitizer, especially if you're about to eat or something. Chapstick, I always carry chapstick. I get pretty dry lips, so that's always in there. And then I have these little leaflets here, these pocket body wash leaves from Sea to Summit that I keep in there as well. Pop one of these out, throw it in some water, and you can use that to wash yourself up, keep yourself smelling nice and good. So there's my Ultralight hygiene kit. So generally what I'll do too, which number one, this little side table here on my chair worked out perfect to kind of use as a workstation to do my hygiene, do my camp chores. So it's been really nice having this chair with the side table on it. My wife and I just recently picked up a couple of them, and yeah, they've been kind of a game changer, especially this little cup holder here. Hold my cup, and there's a little slot there even for the handles on my cup to fit into, so works out perfectly. So when I get done with my camp chores, generally what I'll do, if I have a pole like this, I usually keep some pegs hanging off the branches here. I'll use the top to let my towels, my bandana kind of dry off. So yeah, just that's the way I do things. I know everybody might have their own routine, but that's kind of my routine that I work with. And yeah, other than that, like if I have a lot of dishes, if we're staying out for like a week or something, we have a lot more camp utensils and things like that, I have a little pocket shower that I'll bring. I'll hang that up, string it up between two trees. That way I almost have like a faucet. So if I'm doing dishes, I can do it right here. And that works out really well. So yeah, just having the right tools. It doesn't have to be big and heavy or anything like that. But having the right gear really helps out a lot, and you can get a lot of things done with just a small little kit. So, but yep, that's my hygiene kit.